Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we did get paid this week. This is our first paycheck of June and we are going to be stuffing $781 in cash envelopes and also sinking funds, and then doing our little side hustle from eBay and Mercari, mostly eBay though. So let's go ahead and count. So we have 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, and 81. So $781 is how much we are going to be stuffing. So while I'm setting all of this out, I was out on Tuesday. I did not upload a money challenge, and guys, I have not missed an upload for the money challenge and since I've been doing it, and I was so sick. I had a fever of 102. I had chills. I couldn't eat anything. I was sick and I thought it was like the flu. It probably was the flu, to be honest. But my fever broke around 2:30 in the morning, but I was like, I cannot go into work. So I called in. I stayed in bed, I slept, I took so much medicine, you guys, just to get this out of my system, and I am still not feeling good. I don't have fevers, I don't have any body aches, I'm not weak or anything. I just can't really eat, and I know it's probably TMI or whatever. Just my stomach has just been really bothering me for the past 30 days, and I haven't really eaten anything differently, so I don't know. So I'm just taking it easy, but I am back. We're gonna do the cash envelopes for my paycheck, and then I'll let you know about what's going to happen with the money challenge that I did film on Tuesday but have not uploaded it yet. So the first one is going to be groceries, and groceries is going to be getting $100 as always. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Gas, we have $20 left over. So this $20 is going to be going into the challenges, and we're going to be doing $140. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, and 40, so $140. Let me switch all this around. I thought it was all the same. And then fun money is going to be getting, there's $1 that is left over, and we are going to be doing $100. And I do have a $100 bill, but we are going to switch it out. So we're going to switch it out from under the traveling little binder. And this is actually the reason why I'm breaking this down is because I do a lot of yard sales. So I use my fund money for yard sales to use for eBay. I should use my eBay envelope, but I just don't. Anyway, so 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now I did use some of my eBay money last week. So that I did do to go shopping for eBay and everything for reselling stuff. All right, so this is gonna go in here. And that is it for our cash envelopes. And then let's go ahead and stuff our side hustle real quick before we go into the sinking funds. Now for eBay for 2 weeks, we did get paid $44. So we have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. $44 is stuffed, and this is from eBay. I think I sold a couple of things. Mercari right now has $18, and I will not withdraw that until the end of the month. It's usually the last week before I film the video when I will withdraw it. All right, so, and we are going to update this today, you guys. I know I have been the worst about it, have not been updating it at all. So we're going to try to do it today. All right, so medical is going to be getting $33. So we have 20, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So let's see, there's the dollars, $10, and then the $20. I did put some $100 bills. I did break some of these smaller bills, the 20s, and put bigger bills in. But once I get $500, I will put this in the bank. So we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So we have $300. And we're just going to update this right now. And we put $33, which that's not going to be right. So $300 for medical. Car maintenance is going to be getting $37. And let's see how much we will have. Somebody is revving up their truck. 37, so we have 20, 20, 20, 20, 30, 35, let's see, 35, 36, and 37. So let's see how much we have. So we have $500 already in the bank. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81. So that's 600, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So we have 5, 6, and 7. So we have $700 for car maintenance. And let me do that. So we have $700. I do plan on buying, I need some like seat covers, stuff like that. So I plan on using some of the car maintenance to do that expense. Vacation is going to be getting $200. And you'll see this in the cash envelope or the money challenges. Dobby has a groomer's appointment. Well, he has daycare on Monday and then a groomer's appointment on Tuesday. And we are going to be putting $36 in here. So we have 20, I don't like these 10, 20, 30, 35, and 36. Okay, let's see. 36, 10, 5, and 1. Okay, so then we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So we have $100. So that is $100, which is great. Christmas is going to be getting $20, so we have $21 in there. I'm going to put his little placeholder in there. Special occasion is going to be getting $20. We'll see how much this is. My plan is to save $400 in special occasion. So we have 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, and 63. So 63, wait, 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, and 63. 63, because I forgot I had to put a deposit down that I have been saving. So $63, and it is for a Airbnb that I just booked for myself. home is going to not get anything. So we have 10, 15, 20, and 21. So $21. Beauty is actually going to be getting $31 because I do have a hair appointment. I have not cut my hair in a year, and my hair grows super fast. Like, it is no joke, you guys. All right, so $31. So that is 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. So $60. Oh, I need to do this. 31, and that is $60. This will most likely be empty because haircuts are expensive. I know you can go to like Supercuts or something like that and it'll be cheaper, but I only trust one person with my hair. I'll just leave that 20 right there. And she is, I think she raised her rate, so I'm not sure. Last time I checked, it was like $50 for a haircut, but I think it includes like shampoo and stuff. So yeah, but anyways, so renewal is going to be getting $20, and I'm sorry that I feel like I'm kind of talking like melatonin and not showing enough expression in my voice. I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to like focus on counting and not feel like I'm feeling bad about myself for doing this because I do not feel good. But I wanted to get this out, and I love sharing you guys my paychecks and everything. But anyways, so let's go ahead and continue with the renewals. $20, and it's 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 81. So I have 181, and I promise you guys, all my friends on here, they're going to say, you need to take care of yourself, Shirley, and everything. And yes, I have been drinking tons of water, resting and everything. I promise I am. If not, then y'all can scream at me, but I really am. All right, so that is it, you guys. So we stuffed our sinking funds, we stuffed our cash envelopes, and we also stuffed our side hustle. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. Now, this money challenge, this coming up Tuesday, is going to be the one that I skipped from last week. So it is going to be a week behind, but it will be fine, you guys. We'll catch up sooner or later. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys then. Bye.